Hi all, welcome to Blessing Automation Hub. So we will be seeing some most important question of the string. Okay, so let us start. So the first question from the string which is asked in the interview is like how to reverse a string. So how we will do this? So let me explain the logic. So you can see here string str equal to blessing is there, right? Now this is one string which we need to reverse. So what we will do, this string we will convert to a character of array. Okay, with the help of array method. Okay, then this whatever the string we have stored in an array, okay, like it will be b l e, like in each index one character will be stored. Then we will take those character array in a reverse manner. Okay, so how we will do that? So int I equal to ch dot length minus 1. So it will go to the last index, guys. Okay, and then I is greater than equal to 0. It is like till zeroth index it will iterate. So how it will iterate from the last index to the zeroth index by decrementing the index, right? So then at the last it will print those indexes, right, from last to first. So the last is S, right? Here S is the last and the first is B. So as the and I, so this is the output. So this will print like that. So this is like reverse of string. Then they will ask you how to count the character from a given string. So for that, what we will consider here, we have created one method of count, okay, in which we will pass a string. Okay, now we will take hash map. So why hash map is used here? So that we can put character as well as the count of the character in the integer format. Okay, so we have created one hash map. Okay, now what we will do again, we will convert this character string to the some array. Okay, some character array. So for that we have used char array, like previous example we have done. Then we have used here for loop. Okay, so for char of c, it will read this string array. Okay, and then we will put the condition. Here the logic starts. So if this hash map contains that character, okay, which if that hash map contains the character, so let us put that character, okay, from here, from this string array. If that character occurs, so just increase the count by 1. If any character occurs, okay, just increase the count by 1. Okay, let us assume a is there, which is 2 times. So if this character is getting occurs, so let's increase the count. If it is not occurring, like if it is not containing that character again, so just put the count as 1. Okay, right? So like d is there, which is not repeated, right? So here the count will be 1 of d. If a is there, a is having multiple counts, it will increase the count by +1. Now how to read the value? So we have created one map in C. Okay, with the help of this entry dot get key, it will get the character key, right, and then it will get the get value. Okay, so it will give the count. So basically this is the logic for a count of character from a given string. So here we have passed A, B, B, C, C, D, and then we have just called this count of string, and then it has given like this. Okay, next, some interviewer will ask you that only print those characters which are duplicates. So only condition we will add here is if the value is greater than 1. If the map value is greater than 1. If the count value is greater than 1, then only print those things. Like A, B, B, C, C, D. So whose value is greater than 1 is like how we have seen in the last. So same thing it is here only. Okay, if whose the value is, whose the count is greater than 1, okay, in that case put only those. So here A, B, C is count is 2. So that's why value is greater than 1. D is value is 1 only. That's why we have not included D. So same program is there like earlier. So let's go with the next program. Then they will ask you how to print unique character from a given string. So how to print unique characters? So first we will write one logic for remove duplicate characters. So how we will do that? So we will use here link hash set. In this link hash set, we will pass. We will what we will do here. So in this we will iterate one string. Okay, and then here we will add one string. Okay, so how we are adding str dot add I. Okay, so basically what it will do, it will store in the link set, right? Now how we will read that with the help of enhanced for loop? We are reading this char of ch of LHS. LHS is the link set. Okay, so here we will put ch. Ch is the char we have declared for this link set. So basically the logic is very simple, is like set will not allow duplicates, right? Like set will not print duplicate values, right? So that's why we have just taken one set. Okay, in that we have put the string, okay, string caret I, whatever the character was there in that string, and then we are iterating those. So basically if any duplicate will be there, it will remove that. So that is the functionality of set internally. Okay, here we can see a, b, b, c, c. We have a duplicate. We are calling this duplicate class. Okay, and that we are calling remove duplicate method. In this, we are passing string. So it will pass this string a, b, b, c, c to here, and then based on the logic, it will remove the duplicate characters as per the link has set functionality. So here it will print ABC, right? Because it has removed duplicate. It has print only the unique character. Now, coming to the next question, let us assume that is for character. But if we want to print only unique string, so how we will do? Let us assume for that again, same thing. Okay, list is there. In that list, we have used one array list. Here we are writing one logic. Let us assume some months we have passed here. Now, every time we are iterating from int I, like from the first index to the last index, we are iterating. Okay, this is the first loop. Now again, second loop is there, which is just incrementing the index by one. Let us assume first iteration, the index is here, and inside that second, for the loop, it will start from here. So it will what? It will check with the help of equals ignore case. Okay, it is checking whether I, whatever the first we have put here, June, let us assume zeroth index is the June, right? And one index is the November, right? It is checking whether this June contains by November. Like first index, whatever it is, and second index, okay, whether both are matching or not. If it is, if it is containing those things which are repeating, okay, like if al, whatever the al is, contains m of mo I, like if it is getting if it is not getting repeated, just print the value. If it is getting repeated, it will remove that. Okay, so basically if it is not repeated, if it is not contains, okay, like June is not repeated anywhere. Okay, if it is repeated only take only one time. Okay, so here June, November, March, January, so it will give, basically it is comparing to, like in the two loops, one loop it will start from here, second loop it will start, so it will compare one by one. Like June is getting repeated here, June, November, no, June, March, no, June, January, no, June, Jan, like that, November, March, like all the string, it will be compared by each other. Okay, whether it is repeated. So if it is containing, if it is not containing, okay, just print those. Okay, that's it. Now coming to the third, this is one also important programs. Okay, it is check whether two strings are anagram or not. So for that, what is the meaning of anagram, guys? So if that string ZBC, let us assume one string we have passed ZBCD and second is DCBZ. So basically anagram is like if one string is there, okay, and if the same string characters are there in second string, whatever order will be there, if it is same, okay, so if the order will be same, so in case of same character, if in case of same character, so if the characters are same, so we have to print only those things. Okay, so sorry. So if let us assume one string is there, if the characters are same in both the string, if the characters are same in both the string, so we need to tell that it is anagram. If the character will be same, whatever order will be. Let us assume first string is ABC, second string is CBA or BSC or ABC. If characters are same in both string, it will be anagram. So how we will do that? First, what we are checking, whether we are taking the length of both string, okay, and then we are checking if a is not equal to be return false. Okay, so if both length are not same, that means that string will not be same, right? So that characters count are not same, that means the string will not be similar, right? So that's why it is telling false. And then what we are doing, we are sorting both string, and then we are comparing both string with the help of this logic. Okay, so here we are using one loop and one condition. With the help of that, we are comparing both string. If the string comparison is same, so it will give true, else it will give false. And if we are passing from here, in this main method, we are passing string 1 and string 2. If both are same, it will give anagram. So here, as ZBCD and DCBZ having same characters, okay, whatever order will be there, so that's why it is telling anagram. Okay, so this is also an important question. Now, how to check whether given string is palindrome or not? So in case of palindrome, they will check whether that string in the reverse also it should be same, like ABA. The reverse is also ABA, right? So for that, what will be the logic? First is like it will start from the zeroth index, okay, like A, and second J loop it will start from the last index. Okay, so like here last index, what is the last index character? A. Okay, so it will check while AI is less than J, it will check whether both are like whenever you are what basically we are doing in this palindrome. So we will check from first to last and from last to first, all the characters are same or not. So we are doing here, so we are incrementing the first I plus plus, it is like from here to here, we are going from first to last and from last to first. We are comparing if it is okay, yeah, if the characters are same, then it will give true, else it will give false. If it is not same, you can see here the condition we have given. One condition, string str caret I is not equal to str caret j. Okay, like from starting to end, or start is, if it is not same, please return false, else it will just go I plus plus j minus minus from first to last, from last to first, it will give true. Now, this is the logic for palindrome. So we have passed ABA, ABA reverse is ABA only, that's why it is given palindrome, yes. Now, one regex pattern question they will ask you in the interview. One is like string str equal to, like, let us assume in this character numbers are there. Now you have to, they will ask, you have to find only the number. So like that, you can write this regex pattern for this str dot replace all and then 0 to 9. Okay. So this will give you like this. This will give you the number, only the number. If they will ask only the character, so like you have to write this type of pattern A to Z alphabet. Okay, so it will give only the character. So this is also one important question in the interview. Next is how to find the maximum occurring character in a given string. So this is also a very important question. It will give you like SSSBBE, one example is there. So whose character count is max? S is 3 times, B is 2 times, A is 1 time, right? So what will be the approach, guys, here? So first we will take the count of each character and then we will store somewhere, okay, in the max. Okay, here we have stored in the max, and then we will check whether that max is greater for each character count. What is the maximum character? Then we will replace that to the max. How we have done like count. So we have started, okay, so length str dot length. Okay, so here we have given ASCII size equal to 256, that is the maximum ASCII size. Okay, so for count it will be maximum, new int ASCII size. Okay, let us assume we have given 256. Okay, now length is str dot length, we have taken the length of that string. Now we are iterating from first to last of that string, and we are taking the count of that string. Okay, whatever the character is there, that we will take. So first step, we have taken the count of all the character. Now we have declared max equal to -1. Let us assume we have declared in the starting max equal to -1, and we have declared char result equal to blank. Okay, now we will, what we will do again, we will write one more loop, okay, in which we will check what is the condition if the max is less than count of str caret I. Basically what it will check, that -1, if it is less than the count of that particular character, so whatever it is in the string. If whatever will be the maximum, that will be stored. Okay, like let us assume S is 3. So the maximum count will be 3. Let us assume B is 4. Let us assume, okay, the count is 4. So that maximum character, it will take from here the count and it will store. And then it will return in the result. So like that. So here, that's why it is telling that if it is SSSBBA, let us assume for example, so the maximum character count of that string is S, whose occurring character is S only because it is having maximum character count. Okay, now, so basically what it has done maximum count, okay, and then who has given the maximum count, that index it has taken and that it has returned in the result. Okay, so that is the maximum occurring character. Now the last question which is asked in the interview is how to get the total count of vowel and consonant in a string. So for that, let us assume we are writing vowel equal to 0 count, okay, and then a consonant equal to 0 count. Now we are writing one reference, E, I, O, U. This is the vowel, as we know. Now we are writing one for loop in I equal to 0, I less than string dot length means from starting of your string to the end of the length of that string, it will iterate from first to last. We are giving one condition. If what is the condition we are giving here? If the string str.caret I is greater than equal to a, like a z, if it is greater than a and less than z, okay, yeah, it will be true. Obviously, whatever the character you will write, it will be inside this a to z capital or a to z small. And again, inside that, if we are writing one more condition, if reference index of str at I is not equal to -1. Okay. So what is the reference here? Reference is AEIOU. If it is AEIOU, that means it is vowel, right? Whatever the character you are passing, if it is containing two conditions. One, it should be between A to Z, and second, it should be like if it is under reference. Okay. In the reference, AEIOU is there. If it is like that, so it will be vowel plus plus count as consonant plus plus. So here vowel plus plus, whatever the count will be there, it will print here consonant plus plus. So like A, B, C, D, whatever string I have passed here. Okay, so it will check whatever the vowel is there, count and consonant it has written. So like that, these are the most important questions asked in the interview, guys. So basically, I have explained you almost 10 programs. Okay, please go through this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.